In a world of fleeting trends, Eleanor clung to one constant, the clatter of her old, rusty typewriter. Her family would often chuckle, still chasing those impossible dreams. Mom? They saw a dusty relic. She heard the heartbeat of stories untold. Every tap of the keys was a whisper of hope, a lonely symphony played only for herself. She poured her soul onto yellowed pages, weaving tales of love and loss, unaware of the magic she was creating. But one day, a dusty manuscript, forgotten in a drawer, found its way into the hands of a publisher. They didn't just see words, they saw a masterpiece. The world called her a genius, but for Eleanor, the greatest validation was the sound of her typewriter finally understood. If you were touched by this story, please like and subscribe for more.